In this video, we will learn how to find out the equilibrium level of income. The question is, if marginal propensity to save is equal to 0.3 and autonomous consumption is being given us as 50 and autonomous investment is given us as 100, we need to find out the equilibrium level of income. Options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. So what we are being given, we are being told that MPS is equal to 0.3. Okay. Also, autonomous consumption, let's denote it by C naught, it is being given by S as 50. Also investment is being given as 100, which is autonomous here. Also we are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of income. Okay, so giving this, we know the relationship between the marginal propensity to consume plus marginal propensity to save is equal to 1. That is the sum of marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save is equal to 1. So we have MPC plus MPS is being given as a 0.3 should be equal to 1. Okay, by MPS what we mean, it simply tells us how much savings we will do when our income increases by 1 unit. Okay, by 0.3 it means if our income increases by $1, so our savings will increase by $0.3. Okay, simple thing. And that is symmetrically marginal propensity to consume tells us. Okay, so if MPC, and let's first calculate, then I will interpret it. MPC is equal to, transposing this, it will get subtracted 1 minus 0.3, so MPC is equal to 0.7 here. Now how do I interpret this 0.7? So it simply tells us how much consumption do we do when our income increases by one additional unit. That means if income increases by $1, okay, and if MPC in this case is equal to 0.7, it simply tells us that $0.7 of this additional dollar is used for consumption. Okay, now having said this, we also need to find out the consumption function. Let us denote C is equal to, our consumption is a function of, that is C naught plus BY. That is consumption is equal to autonomous consumption. That does not depend upon the level of income, whether our income is 0, 10 or 100. We have to consume something, that is denoted by C naught, and it is being given us as 50. Okay, so C is equal to, C naught is being given us as 50 plus B denotes the marginal propensity to consume, which we calculated as 0.7. okay, then we have Y. Also we know that at equilibrium what happens? At equilibrium aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand, or our aggregate income is equal to aggregate expenditure. So our Y will be equal to, what is our expenditure? That is consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure here. So our Y will be equal to, what is consumption function? That is 50 plus 0.7 Y plus investment is being given us as 100. Okay, so adding 50 and 100, it becomes 150. I can write Y is equal to 150 plus 0.7 Y, transposing this 7Y here, so we have 1 Y minus 0.7, Y will be equal to 150. Okay, so subtracting 0.7Y from Y, we will get 0.3 Y is equal to 150. Okay, 0.3 can be written as 3 upon 10 Y is equal to 150, or I can write, and let me write it here, Y will be equal to 150. If I transpose 3 upon 10 to RHS, it will get reciprocated and multiplied, it becomes 10 upon 3, so 3 ones are 3, 5 are 50, so this becomes Y is equal to 50 into 10 is equal to 500. That gives us the equilibrium level of income. So C option should be correct option.